Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock that Cathy Wood bought in abundance. Yes, she owns approximately $35 million worth of this stock. She has been buying the stock from December 17, 2020, and again recently on May 6th, she again bought some of the shares from this company. So, what's the stock I'm talking about? It is Surface Oncology, ticker symbol SURF. What do they do? Circif Oncology is a clinical stage immuno-oncology company engaging in the development of cancer therapies in the United States. And we know that the market size of oncology is growing globally. As per reports, the market size could globally cross an annual valuation of over 469 US billion dollars by 2026. Oncology therapeutics accounted for 143 billion in branded pharmaceutical sales in 2019, approximately 20% of global pharmaceutical sales. Analyst consensus figures indicate a robust 12% compound annual growth rate, and global oncology therapeutics sales are forecasted to hit 250 billion by 2024. According to the business research company's research report on the oncology drugs market, the oncology market 2020 is particularly prone to disruption from the coronavirus outbreak as patients with cancer are more susceptible to viral infections, especially after chemotherapy, stem cell transplants, and surgeries. COVID 19 has caused clinical trial delays for oncology drugs and has resulted in low usage of cancer drugs. Due to the worldwide lockdown, production is also being halted, which is causing supply chain issues. So, what is special with Surface Oncology? Their mission is to deliver transformative outcomes for people with cancer by breaking through the frontiers of immuno-oncology research. They have two programs targeting the adenosine axis to activate the innate and adaptive immune system. In basic terms, they are trying to improve the immune system. And they have three programs targeting the alleviation of innate and adaptive immune system suppression. So they are trying to lessen the suppression. That is, they are again trying to improve the immune system. So basically, they are developing multiple antibody immunotherapy candidates focused on enhancing the innate and adaptive immune responses to enable a robust immunologic response and enhance outcomes for patients with cancer. Surface Oncology has entered two strategic collaborations to advance their next generation cancer therapies. In January 2016, they entered into an agreement with Novartis. Surface received an upfront payment of 70 million from Novartis and is entitled to potential milestone payments upon the achievement of specified development and sales milestones of 525 million as well as tiered royalties. And in December 2020, they entered into an agreement with GSK. Surface received an upfront payment of 85 million from GSK and is entitled to an additional 730 million in future milestone payments, as well as tiered royalties on global net sales. In December 2020, this is when Cathy Wood started investing in Surface Oncology. So, what's new with them? On May 5th, they reported financial results and corporate highlights for first quarter 2021. And as per the results, as of March 31st, 2021, cash equivalents, and marketable securities were 171 million compared to 175 million on December 31st, 2020. R&D expenses were 10.5 million for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2021, compared to 11.3 million dollars for the same period in 2020. General and administrative expenses were 5.6 million for the first quarter ended March 31st, 2021, compared to 4.8 million for the same period in 2020. Overall, Surface Oncology continues to project that current cash equivalents, and an anticipated near-term milestone from GSK are sufficient to fund the company through 2023. Looking at their debt to equity ratio, they have a debt of around $14 million, whereas equity of around $160 million. So they have a debt to equity ratio of 8.8%. Among their top 25 shareholders, we have ARK Investment, of course, Novartis, Morgan Stanley, Vanguard Group, so on and so forth. And top 25 shareholders own 60% of the company. From tip ranks, based on four analysts offering 12-month price targets for Surface Oncology, they set a high forecast of $18 and a low forecast of 14. This stock is currently sitting at $7.79. And I believe Cathy Wood did not sell the stocks even when the share price reached around $14. So I believe she is expecting much more than that. And to be honest, this price target looks a little pessimistic to me. Any company that is even close to finding a treatment for cancer patients is to be taken seriously. And with big names associated with it, such as Novartis and GSK, I think this company is surely going to be on my watch list. So, this was about Surface Oncology. What do you think about this stock? Do let me know in the comments below.